Music knows no language. We know that. That's why we enjoyed songs like Gangnam Style in spite of not really understanding the language. And similarly, many foreigners have enjoyed Indian songs as well. Today at Simply Curious, we are going to go back in time and check out the top 10 internationally hit Indian songs. Let's get started. Number 1, Aawara Hoon. This song from the 1951 film Aawara was one of the first Indian songs to strike a chord with the audience across the globe. The movie Aawara itself was a big hit in the Soviet Union, China, Turkey, and many other small European countries. Raj Kapoor became an international icon and was celebrated in many of these countries. The song Aawara Hoon, music by Shankar Jaikishan, written by lyricist Shailendra and sung by Mukesh, became a huge rage. If you check online, you will find many foreigners singing the song. Even now, in many small cities in the USSR, you can find people singing the song at parties and get-togethers. That was the impact of this song. Several localized versions of this song have been made in Greece, Turkey, Middle East, the Soviet Union, China, and Romania after its immense popularity.
Awarahun Jauh gare di Shimehun Asman katarahun Awarahun Jauh gare di Shimehun Asman katarahun.
Number 2, Mera Juta Hai Japani. Another Raj Kapoor film that drew audiences from across the globe was Shri 420, which also became the highest grossing foreign film in the Soviet Union box office in 1956. It also became a huge hit in Romania and Israel. Two songs from this film, Mera Juta Hai Japani and Ichak Dana, also became popular amongst the international audiences. Besides the fame of Raj Kapoor, the mention of a Russian hat excited the audience even more. Number 3, Ichak Dana from Shri 420. Once again, the Shankar Jaikishan and Rajkoot combination struck gold with Shri 420. Apart from Mera Juta Hai Japani, Ichak Dana became a rage in the Soviet Union, Romania, and Israel. In Israel, the song Ichak Dana Bichak Dana was re-recorded by local singer Naim Rajwan. Indian diplomats were surprised when they heard this song at a lunch hosted by Prime Minister Narendra Modi for Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. Most of the people of this delegation were quite familiar with the song. Many tourists visiting Jerusalem have heard several local shopkeepers humming this song as well. Sometime back, the Ministry of External Affairs had tweeted a video of a local Uzbek woman singing Ichak Dana with late Sushma Swaraj. Number 4, I Am a Disco Dancer. Another Indian film that became a huge hit, especially in the Soviet Union and China, was Mithun Chakravarti starrer Disco Dancer. It became the biggest hit of the year in the Soviet box office. Disco Dancer remains to be the highest grossing foreign film in the Soviet Union. The movie also became a huge commercial hit in China. It was the first Indian film to gross over 100 crore rupees worldwide. The soundtrack of this film also became very popular in the Soviet Union and China. I Am a Disco Dancer especially became popular in the dance halls of the Soviet Union throughout the 80s. It also inspired American rock band Devo to come up with their song Disco Dancer in 1988. Number 5, Jimmy Jimmy Aaja. One more song from the film Disco Dancer which ruled the world was Jimmy Jimmy Aaja. The soundtrack album was a big success internationally. It went platinum in India and received a gold award in China. Jimmy Jimmy Aaja Aaja and I Am a Disco Dancer are very popular in countries such as Mongolia and post-Soviet states such as Russia, Azerbaijan and Uzbekistan. This song's lyrics were written by Anjan and Parvati Khan sung the song. There are several covers of this song by many bands across the world, most notably by the British Sri Lankan alternative rapper MIA, Russian techno group Ruki Ver, Russian artists DJ Slon and Angel A, and a cover version by Tibetan artist Kelsang Mitok. Number 6, Mundiatu Bachke. Originally released in 1997 with vocals and lyrics by Punjabi artist Labh Janjua, and then re-released as a single in 2002 with Jay-Z, Mundiya Tu Bach Ke is one of the best-selling singles of all times globally. It has already sold 10 million copies worldwide. The song sold over 1 million copies in Germany within the first 2 days and debuted at number 2 in the Germany charts. It topped the single charts in Italy and Germany. It was the first Bhangra song to make its way to the UK top 10 and reached number 10 in Canada. It also reached number 33 on the Billboard charts in the United States. Number 7, Oruvan Oruvan. A song from the 1995 Tamil drama Muthu. The film and its soundtrack became quite popular in Japan. Muthu is still one of the highest grossing Indian films in Japan. The soundtrack was selected as the most popular foreign soundtrack in Japan, and the song Oruvan Oruvan gained massive popularity. Zoku Sayonara Zetsubo Sen, a Japanese manga series, also features a parody of the dance in the song Oruvan Oruvan. Number 8, Tunak Tunak Tun. The era of indie pop and Bhangra in the late 90s is incomplete without the mention of Daler Mehndi. A hit in India, this song soon gained a cult following in the South Asian diaspora in UK and USA. In China, the song gained popularity for its lyrics. Blizzard Entertainment, a popular video game company, incorporated Tunak Tunak Tun as a character animation in their game World of Warcraft in 2007. It was also included as an Easter egg in the Medal of Honor Allied Assault Spearhead. At number 9, we have the very popular Why This Kolaveri D. This song is best remembered by netizens as one of the first massively viral videos in India that became an instant hit on social media within a few weeks of its launch in 2011. It soon spread to other parts of the world with parodies, covers, dances, and mixes. International media like BBC and Time magazine reported about the popularity of the song. YouTube recognized this song with a recently most popular gold medal award and trending silver medal award for the number of views it generated in a very short span of time. This song was played extensively at nightclubs and discos of Japan, and a video of Japanese women dancing to it became viral back then. This song was played on US radio station KZYX FM. A few Turkish singers and composers also created covers for this song. A Turkish Coca-Cola ad also used the tunes of this track.
Onu gördüm geliyor 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 biçim Sıcak bastı yanıyor 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 ah içim Aç bir Coca-Cola 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 iç Ver bir Coca-Cola Coca-Cola Coca-Cola
Number 10, Jimmy Ki Kamal. Enter Jimmy Ki Kamal, or simply Jimmy Ki Kamal, from the Malayalam film Velipadinte Pustakam became viral on the internet owing to a number of covers and viral dance videos on social media. American TV presenter, comedian, writer and producer Jimmy Kimmel also tweeted saying he loved the song. We also want to give special mention to Chikni Chameli and Kala Chashma, which became extremely popular in the global world of music. We hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, then do share the video with all your friends. Don't forget to hit the like button. Do check out all our other videos on Simply Curious and let us know how we can get better. Don't forget to subscribe to Simply Curious.